Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Felix, and today we're making the one and only Jello hot dog, or this thing right here.
Look at that!
Oh my god! Yum! Alrighty, so first off, we're gonna grab 2 whole packages of wieners and put it inside a Bundt pan. We're then gonna grab that lovely pickle juice.
Pickle juice?
Yes, that's right, Kangi. The pickle juice. And pour that sucker right in. We're then gonna add some stinky gelatin and mix that sucker until it's combined.
Oh, it stinks, bro. It stinks.
Prison wine.
Look at Chris.
We are then gonna pour in that potent gelatin juice with 1 whole chopped onion, 1 whole chopped bell pepper, sliced pickles, and whole pickles as well. We are then gonna give it a slurp and refrigerate for about 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Ready? 3. Oh, this is a bad idea.
Wait. I got a better idea. What if you put it on top and flip it?
Oh,
Why
did
not
think of that? Big brain.
You guys just gotta spell it everywhere.
Alright, it's alright.
It's not already.
Oh my god. Yum!
Want a break from the ads?
Oh, it's deep.
Look, guys! Hey, what do you think?
Put this in the sink.
Alright, she's
This beat is my recital.
Ta-da! Look at that thumbnail. Oh yeah, this is yum yums. Hey, I didn't mean to.
No, it's still.
Look at that baby, ain't she pretty?
You got it.
Yummy. Dude, I gotta do like a really cool like B-roll on it. Like, blur. No, look at that. Look at that gabagooey. You see that gabagooey? Touch the gabagooey. It's like ew. Ew. All right, ready here. Let's eat this sucker. All right, guys. You want to see the surprise I got?
Oh no. Oh god.
Hot dog buns.
I knew it.
Hot dog buns. What a way to eat this with hot dog buns and just your friends and your family. That includes you. Thank you for watching. That looks delicious. I'm starving. Alright, I gotta eat it with me, yo. Y'all get one too, get one too. Yo. Get one too, get one too. Get one too, bro. Come on.
I gotta make sure where the throw up bucket is.
Y'all get a hot dog, y'all get a hot dog. Get a dog.
I don't want it.
It actually doesn't look that bad. See that?
Chris, grab one.
Chris gotta grab a dog. You know what? Grab a dog. You know the dog.
Diggity dog dog.
You want the light skin one or the dark skin
Dog
one?
butter. Dog butter.
Chris, you took my hot dog.
I think
I
they're
got the
all
one.
bad enough.
This is gonna be good.
Did you cook them before?
No.
Bro, she didn't even cook them before, bro.
It looked cooked out.
We didn't cook this. That lady was making fun of it. Double chocolate.
You decided to make
Shout out to you, double chocolate. Bro, you better put some more of that goodness on it,
That's
bro.
how you eat my hot dog, right?
No, bro, you gotta put a pickle in it. Look, pickle Rick. There you go. Look at it. Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera. Pickle Rick. Alright. We got all eat at the same time, though. Wait for Kang.
Bro, Kang don't even have a pickle.
Kang, you're messing up the pie.
I have the pickle.
You need the big one.
I'm not grabbing the big one. What's the other one? Yo.
Come on, Harry.
Alright, Harry.
No, thank you. I did
Ready?
ask Harry.
Wait, should I come
Harry, come here.
Chris, get a shot.
Harry, I'm supposed to kill myself.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, what did it sound like that? What did it sound like that?
Pickle.
Oh my god!
I wouldn't let your dog eat it.
Get
Can I take like a bite of it? Like,
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up, dog.
You gotta get the crunch out of it.
Bro, it's stressing, bro.
oh, that is.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna, Felix.
You have to do it.
Yo, what? Fuck me, no.
King likes it.
You're gonna make me throw up. Stop, Felix, stop. I'm gonna throw up.
That's there.
Just spit it out!
Oh my gosh, it's a texture. Why not?
King, you like it?
You
You won't do another bite. You do another bite.
Don't want to hit him now.
Yeah,
Got it on my dog! Hey! Harley wants some.
He don't.
Harley does not.
Why would they make it?
Oh, I don't think Harley liked that one.
Hey, let's animal.
Yes.
You know what? It's not that bad. It's just texture, dude. It's definitely a texture. Throws up. What? It's
More
really not that
texture.
bad. It's the Jello. I think the Jello just didn't set, bro.
Take another bite.
That Jello was whack.
Take another bite.
Just take another bite. Just do it for the content.
More bites. All of it. Just shove the whole thing in your mouth.
You won't.
Is that real? Is that real?
Yeah, that's real.
Oh, that's the texture, bro. It's just the texture. You know what? Flavor's there. She was heading somewhere with the flavor.
No, she's not.
No.
Dude, she was cooking.
No,
she
she
was cooking
wasn't.
something, but then the texture,
Yo,
bro.
just cook your hot dog.
That pickle feels weird.
Use relish.
That pickle got like some
Don't do
extra
this.
glaze on it. Look at that pickle. Extra glazy. Look, see that glycerin? Yeah, that's trash. What do you think about it, Matua? What do you think about it, Kang? What do you think about it? Here's another one.
Scrumptious.
Here comes the plan.
All right, cameraman, come here. Come here. Come here.
I'm gonna throw up on you.
This trash, guys. This is I don't even know what this recipe is. Why would she make this? Oh, look, I got spit on me. I will rate this 0 out of 10. Do not try this. I don't know what that lady was talking about, bro. This is not. She was not cooking. That was trash. Oh, I mean, everyone else. I mean, they seem to enjoy it, right? No.
Don't
Oh, look at that. Dude, look how glycerine that is, bro. The Jello doesn't even like set, dude. Ooh. But yeah, guys, why not? Because why not? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ooh. And I hope y'all subscribe. I'm sorry. And also, oh! Don't forget to ask a question. Why not? Why not? Why not? Thank you guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace.